Floating vanities offer a range of design possibilities that enable you to provide the bathroom with a glamorous, luxurious, minimalist, dramatic, or spacious appearance. Their versatility and number of design and styles will allow them to be fashionable in any bathroom. Take a look at these wall-mounted floating bathroom vanity ideas and let us know what you think about it. You will find particular things that happen to be considered a must in nearly every modern home, but we might not worry too much about bathroom designs when planning for a new house. The bathroom is equally important, and it's nonetheless crucial to get it correctly. Even though the living room and the bedroom could take up much of our planning time, one must not forget about developing a bathroom that looks like an extension of the majority of the house. It is essential to make sure that you have an entire house that has a one flowing theme. A cabinet and sink underneath are usually considered as a necessity part of every bathroom, and this is where you are able to generate an individual decision that is custom fit to the residence and can serve you effectively. Floating sink and cabinet styles are all of the raves presently because of the numerous benefits they provide. In this video you will find diverse collection of floating bathroom sinks and cabinet combinations which will help you in creating a far more informed decision. Among the fast-growing necessities of contemporary living structure is the use of accessible area on the absolute hilt. That is entirely understandable considering the premium that nearly all people have to fork out to be able to get a house and is not merely restricted to large cities. With cool small apartment and loft studios turning to be popular, a modular bathroom vanity does not have to save up much needed legroom. The same as the trendy house workstation under the stair or maybe wise storage shelves hidden away daftly, bathroom hanging cabinets simplify the area and also fit in seamlessly even in the probably the tiniest of rooms. The great thing about a floating sink cabinet in bathroom is it lends a feeling of authenticity to the contemporary designs that you have going in your interior. In order to set in much more simple terminology, a floating bathroom vanity is the in trend these days. With their classy look and also stylish form, the vanity is an ideal add-on to some bathroom that would like to embrace contemporary minimalist but remain faithful to the design of the majority of the house. Absolutely, it does not imply that you are stuck with merely minimalist designs, as you are able to really aim for a vintage look of wood or maybe a retro appearance with a splash of color also. A large number of choices available here are some additional bonus. So friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern floating vanity cabinet designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our 1 million YouTube family members. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest interior design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. Do check them. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. A vanity is an essential point in virtually any bathroom. There you are able to save everything required as well as conceal the ugly part of your respective sink. Among the hottest decor trend today is a floating bathroom vanity. That is due to many factors. For starters, it appears to be not bulky, and that is vital in small bathrooms. Next, it appears to be really chic and contemporary. It quickly fit practically a modern bathroom while having sufficient storage space. You are able to get open floating shelves or even just one stylish surface on an entirely floating cabinet. It is up to you. Floating countertop are terrific idea for just about any sort of bathroom, big or small. It does not matter since they look really lightweight and this is impressive. They instantly give your bathroom an edgy and modern appearance, and they satisfy the storage functions, no worse compared to any vanity. You are able to connect only one counter or maybe many people underneath one another to keep more things. Have a glimpse at the countertop, not just of wood but additionally of some other material, perhaps a stronger one, marble, stone, concrete, etc. You can also mix up upper stone surface along with a wooden lower one for great look. Let's say rather than doing the entire cabinetry on the floor item inside the bathroom, Why not have hanging vanity on your wall? Wall-mounted vanities do great things for bathroom usability and design. The thing you do have to be carefully about when going for a floating vanity in the bathroom is the manner in which you put it up. In case it's not aimed in precise fashion, then your picture perfect dream bathroom could easily turn right into a skewed nightmare that seems both unappealing and ungainingly. Make sure that you always have an expert install your floating vanity, as it must be absolutely parallel to the floor, and also put it correct spot because it's the wall that must support all of the weight. Take that into account while selecting the floating vanity that enhance your bathroom. Is important. Installing it clear-cut fashion with no errors is a must too. To make a contemporary vanity inside your bathroom, you have to produce sleek lines with a design that is clean. Generally, there should be a lot of detailing and clutter. In order to do this, think about setting up a floating bathroom vanity which leaves the area under it open. Since floating vanities are suspended above the floor level and also need to be installed on the bathroom wall structure, they have the capacity to make the room appear to be much more spacious and airy. It is an effect like that which is produced by floating media units or even consoles that are used in living rooms. Not only floating vanities are able to improve the overall spacious appearance of a bathroom, but they also keep the focus on functionality. If it is extremely simple and sleek, this will make them expert and perfect for contemporary and modern home that are generally minimalist. Floating vanities can be exciting design elements by themselves, though they frequently need accessories to enhance them. Mirror would be the most typically accessory. A sizable mirror is able to improve the simple appearance of the vanity and draw the eye upward. If your budget for your new home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on your interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior design ideas that you will find on the internet. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our videos and follow our website and app to get the latest home decoration ideas. First, it will make your bathroom look bigger. To float the vanity means the floor are able to extend to the walls, which immediately makes a bathroom seem to be much more spacious. And a wall hang vanity creates more functional space for stashing pieces such as scale or a waste basket. A bit of foot space under the sink goes quite a distance. Next, it makes cleaning easier. Floating vanities have no sides, no uncomfortable nooks, and no spot for dust bunnies to hide. To give the vanity a little breathing room would mean you are able to truly clean again there. It is also perfect for people who are extra organized. When you are among those individuals that geek out over towel folding, like organizing your cotton swab and can find your lipstick in no time, a floating vanity allows you to show your storage zen with under sink open shelving. Moreover, it is actually streamlined the sink. Acquire a contemporary flow by selecting a monochromatic wall sink floating vanity combo. Along with an elegant minimalist appearance, it will additionally exhibit your bathroom additional showstopper, such as freestanding tub or maybe a beautiful view. A floating vanity also means more floor area for radiant heat. If you are purchasing radiant heat flooring, hang your vanity on the wall to maximize warmth in which you stand in the sink. It may be a requirement. Contractors typically insist on floating or freestanding vanities. It can accommodate any height. Typically, vanities just rise really high, but floating vanities are able to rise at every height. Shorter or taller users are able to set up a wall mount vanity in the living room they like best. A floating vanity also sets your tile work on display. Why cover up 50% of the wall with cabinetry when you are able to showcase your porcelain or marble? Float the vanity and also lengthen the tile right down towards the floor. Also, it can further break up the wood overload. A wood cabinet holding a wood floor is able to appear a bit much. To float the vanity on a tiled, painted or wallpapered wall breaks the monotony of all that grain. Lastly, it is ideal for all family members. With lots of space that is wide open underneath, a floating vanity would mean you have a space toddler's step stool or maybe a grandmother's wheelchair or walker. The bathroom vanity is a lot more than merely a functional area in which you get prepared and also store your toiletries. It is likewise a good spot to express your individual style, and fortunately, you are able to put a great deal of personality into a tiny area. A floating vanity helps produce the impression of a huge bathroom space. This trend offers not only simple but stylish chic look, but traditionally a contemporary aesthetics and is to die for. Vanities do not have to be grand. You are able to choose to get a minimal space by adorning your bathroom with a smooth yet simple vanities which produce a polished and balanced appearance. A vanity is going to complete the appearance of any bathroom of any size, providing extra storage, counter space, character, and a lot more. Nevertheless, all of this is determined by the appearance of the bathroom vanities design that you choose. What style are you choosing inside your bathroom? Are you into modern sleek, or would you like as a look that is conventional? You will find a variety of bathroom vanities ideas to complement your style. And in addition, there are also devices in various different sizes. So if you are worried about space, you will just be equipped to find something which fits in perfectly. A floating vanity looks smooth while opening up the area in your bathroom. It helps you to maintain the bathroom truly clean, and also it offers you better access to heating and cooling vents. Based on the style, traditional vanities that sit on the floor can occasionally create a bathroom that appears crowded. Floating vanities meanwhile break down the bulkiness that standard vanities may provide to the bathroom. Plus, in case you like contemporary floating vanities, is among the best method to offer your bathroom a contemporary minimalist appearance. So friends, hope you like this video on modern floating vanity cabinet designs, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration and designs. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.